Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you a really cool way to use your Vibe blender today. Eggs Benny is obviously a timeless classic at the local cafe, but why not have a go at making it for yourself and your loved ones at home with a homemade Hollandaise? That's what I'm going to be showing you today. Minutes to make. It's so easy. Let's get straight into it. There's only a few ingredients here, so you want to make sure that what you're using is the best quality that you can find. We're going to start with 5 good quality free-range eggs. I'm just going to separate them. We'll use the yolks today and use the whites for something else. Then we've got a cup of melted butter, clarified if you can, but otherwise just regular unsalted melted butter is fine. And then we've just got some lemon, some cayenne pepper and some salt. Before you get started, make sure that the blender jug is really nice and clean and dry. Then go ahead and separate your eggs. You can put the egg yolks straight into the blender jug. Now you can add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or around 30 mils, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Now you can put the lid back on and remove the cap. That's where we're going to pour the butter through. Now I'm just going to set the machine to soup mode, and I'm going to bring the speed right down to medium. Press start, and while the machine's running, slowly pour the melted butter through the top of the jug. Once all of the butter is in, let the machine blend for around a minute or until you hear it slow down and thicken up. So after about a minute, it should be pretty much done. Give the blender jug a little bit of a scrape down with the spatula, get it back on for another few seconds, and then we should be good to go. Give it a taste, of course, and adjust the seasoning to how you like it. If it's looking a little bit thick, then you can also just let it down with just a splash of water. Otherwise, it's good to go, ready to serve straight away on your eggs Benny, eggs Florentine, or however you like to have your Hollandaise. So there you go, breakfast is sorted. That's another great way to use your Vibe blender to make yourself a nice fresh recipe. We hope you liked this one today, and let us know if you give it a go at home in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. Give the video a like if you enjoyed this one today, and we'll catch you again next time with another fresh recipe.